Welcome to today's video on how to start chords locally on Mac. We're going to start off at the Chords website and we're going to go to their Get Started tab. Then we're going to go down to Run Chords Locally. Go to our Mac tab, and the first thing we're going to do is install Docker for Mac. I've already got that pulled up on this page, and it's best recommended to do the stable option. Once that's done, you're going to want to make sure that Docker is up and running, which you can do by going to Applications and clicking on Docker. And you'll see this little whale on the right-hand corner, and when it's up and running, it'll tell you Docker is up and running. Once that's done, we're going to go to your terminal. We're going to do creating a chords directory. You're going to go to that directory, and then you're going to copy this little bit of code right here. And it's going to pull down everything you need for chords, and once that's done, making this a little bit bigger, you're going to type Python chords control, and you're going to do config so that we can configure all that you need. You're going to start with the master branch because you don't need any of the others. And then it's going to start asking you questions. You're going to want to change the email for this to something like you can change which email this is for users versus admins or configurators. And continue through the questions as best you can. You're going to want to keep the latest option for this. Otherwise, you might end up with an older version of chords that may or may not work. You still want to keep master, and once you're done answering all those questions, you're going to do Python chords control update, and it'll update all of that to your portal. Once all of that is done, you're going to do one more time Python chords control, and this time you're going to type run, and it'll start up your portal for you. Good. Now that it's up and running, you can go to the browser of your choice and type in localhost. And the first thing it's probably going to do is give you this bad gateway. That's actually okay. It's still starting up. If you're on Safari and it says it can't load the page for whatever reason, you may need to clear your browser cache. So we're going to reload this, and ta-da! You're in your chords portal.